What's up, family? Black Travel Man here, checking in from Vietnam. Today we're diving into the local market in Mui Ne, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. So sit back and enjoy this little tour of the market. Coming to you here live from the Mui Ne Market. They got a lot of seafood for sale along with fruits and vegetables. It's a little bit dark in there, but we're going to take you back through and see what we can see. Fresh fruits, vegetables, grains, sauces. There he is. Incense and lucky money. The lady sleeping up there. There we go. Hello. I hear somebody following me. It's just that lady back there. Jewelry store. Many types of flowers. This lady's funny. Here's the part of the market where you can sit down and eat some food. Meats. Rice. Chicken and rice. Smoothies. Hello. Let's walk through here if we can. Okay. Alright. A lot going on in here, but very little lighting. Let's go down this one last little alleyway here, and then we can get up out of here. I'm not gonna hold you guys today. Well, that's my take on the market here in Vietnam. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.